The world's richest people aren't investing in stocks anymore. They're investing in something far more personal, their own bodies. From anti-aging labs to futuristic biohacking clinics, they are betting hundreds of millions on just one single goal: to stay young forever. Take Bryan Johnson. He got his teenage son to donate his blood to him just to slow down his aging. That's not a science fiction anymore. That's billionaire in reality. But why are billionaires suddenly obsessed with reversing time? Let's break it down. But before it, I'm Shane Shimali, a marketing student studying in New York City. On this channel, I break down the biggest business, tech, and cultural trends shaping our future. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and join a small but curious community at curiositationblog.com. This channel is still small, but we are going big on ideas, so your support genuinely helps a lot. Alright, let's dive in. The global wellness industry is worth over $5.6 trillion right now. And that number, it's still growing faster than ever. We are not just talking about protein shakes or treadmills anymore. Think of Whoop bands monitoring your sleep, or a ring tracking your heart rate variability. Levels Health measuring blood glucose level in real time. Tech is meeting biology. From AI-driven diagnostics to gene editing to telemedicine that works faster than your neighborhood doctor. If you are a billionaire, your biggest asset isn't your money anymore. It's time. That's why longevity is becoming the new flex. Peter calls it the Centenarian Decathlon. It's not just living long, but staying strong and sharp for 100 years. Bryan Johnson spends $2 million a year trying to reverse his age. क्यों? क्योंकि जब सब कुछ खरीदा जा सकता हो, तब सबसे बड़ा डर यही होता है, अपनी ही बॉडी को धीरे धीरे खुद के हाथों खो देना. Let's follow the money. Jeff Bezos backed company called Atlas Labs, which is working on cellular reprogramming, basically turning back the clock on your cells. Think of it like this. Atlas Labs is trying to do what Control-Z does to your body. Reverse mistakes, restore functions, and refresh you at cellular level. Reliance is bringing advanced diagnostics to Indian homes. And Google is literally trying to solve death. But here's the irony. While billionaires are getting younger and younger, young Indians are getting heart attack. Take Weber for example, a 32-year-old founder in Bangalore, collapsed during morning jog. No red flags, just stress, little Red Bull, and missed sleep. That's all it took. But you know what's the sad part? It's the new normal for young Indians. Especially after COVID, India is facing a hidden epidemic. Young people are dying out of heart attacks. Junk food sales are rising. Sleep is crashing. But here's the twist nobody's talking about. The same health tech the billionaires are using, it's already available to you. बस आपको अब तक पता नहीं. That's it. जो कि इस वीडियो के later part में हम जानेंगे. But first, let's understand how we got here. In 2021, Jeff Bezos invested hundreds of millions of dollars in Atlas Labs, betting on anti-aging at cellular level. Then came 2022. Bryan Johnson began his radical experiment with Blueprint, trying to reverse his biological age with over 100 pills a day. By 2023, even Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani began investing heavily into health diagnostics in India, signaling the wellness is no longer just a Western obsession. And now in 2025, you are watching this video, wondering where this is all going. But here's the truth. This isn't a trend. This is the next revolution. Before COVID, we thought health means hitting the gym, drinking juice. But after COVID, we all learned about oxygen levels, inflammation, and immunity level like never before. That's when the world, and especially super rich, realized preventive health is not optional. It's insurance for your own body. Now pause this video for a second and ask yourself, how many hours did you sleep last night? Because if you're like most people in India or US, the answer will be less than 6 hours. The billionaire I was mentioning about, they are tracking their sleep to a single minute. Because they know poor sleep means inflammation, which means aging. And you can't buy more years if you're burning them every night. Here's where it gets wild. The rich are not waiting for hospitals anymore. They are building their own labs. Bryan Johnson has Blueprint, which tracks his routine, takes supplements advices, and even do blood tests. Rich clients are hiring longevity doctors as full-time employees of their companies. Clinics like Upgrade Labs offer cryotherapy. They are turning their bodies into data dashboards. Think about it. Cars depreciate, clothes fade, but good health, it multiplies. Your energy, your productivity, your years, and even ROI. Which is why health tech startups are exploding like anything. They are not just as a service, they are the new real estate of your body. Health tech isn't nice to have, it's where next unicorns are being built. Projected market is $900 billion. by 2030, as per Statista report. From AI-powered ECG scanners to mental wellness apps, VCs are pouring money into anything that helps you live longer, sleep deeper, and think clearer. You don't need $1 billion to get started. Start tracking your sleep. Maybe try intermediate fasting. Invest in gut health. Treat your body like your own startup. The rich don't wait to get sick. They are investing early, because the earlier you invest in your health, the longer you earn. In the future, the rich won't just live longer. They will live better with access to personalized health AI. The rest of us, we will be patients in a waiting room. Let me leave you with this. If money can buy time, what's stopping you from treating like a biggest asset? If you could invest in just one single stock for next 50 years, make it your own body. Subscribe for more content on AI, business, and bold ideas like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.